What's up today, guys, and welcome back to DK Custom Trucks. And in today's video we are, oh boy, that is the AWE 0FG exhaust, and today we are putting it on Storm, my 2019 GMC Sierra. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so underneath the truck, the first thing I'm going to have to do is up there where that piece of flex pipe is right there, I'm going to have to cut my collar clamp because I live in northern Pennsylvania. Things that aren't undercoated real well, like the truck's undercoated, but bolts and stuff like that for accessories like the exhaust, they just get rotted real quick. So I got to cut the bolt off of this one. I have a new collar clamp for it, so let's do it. So there's the collar clamp loose. Just bend that up, and then from there you're gonna start pulling these exhaust hanger. You're gonna start pulling them down. Should have washed my truck before doing this. Okay, well, I'm gonna grab a couple tools to help me get the exhaust hangers off, and I'll bring it back once I'm sliding the exhaust out. There it goes. Oh, that exhaust is ow, motherfucker, that exhaust is really hot. Whew. That exhaust is really hot. Huh, interesting. Take that hat off for a minute. Here, for those of you that want to know what it sounds like with no exhaust. Rumbly, very rumbly. So now we are going to start getting all this hooked up, which I don't think you guys need to see that. I'm going to kind of make this a short and sweet video. So I'm going to get this all thrown in, and you'll hear the first startup with my wife and daughter and my first reaction. Alright guys, so the whole exhaust is almost on. You can see right there, you can see the dual tip thing going on there. So what I want to show you is that AWE, as nice as they are, by the way, I'm also from Pennsylvania, AWE, northern, so what's up? So I went with the AWE dual tip polished chrome, and the coolest thing about them, because they know that tips are meant for celebration, they send you a little blow pop. So thank you. Ooh, grape, cool. So yeah, they send you that, and these tips, oh man, they're big. They're 4.5 inch. Ooh, you're crooked. They're 4.5 inch. So I ain't got a big hand, but I got a small hand. Well, you can see the size comparison compared to my palm. I don't know how to show you guys this. These things are massive. So that, and they're not just regular clip on and go. These have full adjustability, so you can set them however you want, within reason, obviously. But let's go put them on. This is kind of, I think it's gonna be my favorite part of this whole exhaust. Okay, so. So you can have one be a little bit further in, further out. I think I'm gonna loosen that clamp up and get this rotated a little bit, because I don't necessarily have a box like that. I kind of want them to sit level. I think I kind of want one out just a little bit more than the other. Maybe something like that. Yeah, I think that looks good. What do you think? I think that looks really good. Alright, well, let's find the clamps for that and get them tightened on. Must be these last two. So. Go the wrong way. Oops. I'm so stupid. Stand by. Right there looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I gotta tighten that back up. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing looks sick. That was fucking hot. Pretty solid, guys. So there's one last piece to this that AWE also does, and it's these. Ugh. So what these are little retainers that slide over your exhaust hanger on that, whenever you, or if you decide to do this exhaust or any exhaust in general. There's two on either side of the, right behind the muffler, there's two exhaust hangers, and that's where these go. So we're gonna slide these in real quick. We'll go get the wife and my daughter, and it's time to fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. Oh. So you can see that's one of the hangers right here, and the other one is up here on the other side. You can't see, you can just barely see it. There you go. Now you can see it. Oh, nope. Just kidding. There you go. So these just slide over. Oh, maybe you gotta loosen them up first, huh? And then you slide them over these, just like that. And like that, so these don't slide off. I will say AWE really thought of everything. The 180 technology, all of it. I've heard so many exhausts. This is literally a dream come true. I am so excited about this exhaust. I never thought in a million years I was going to be able to get it, and finally was able to. Alright, so we're going to go with the wife and kids and see what it sounds like.
Sound good?
You want to hold this and get an exhaust clip for me? That is so fucking deep.
I feel like you should have got your own reaction.
My God.
You think it sounds good?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That is the best sounding exhaust I've ever heard on a 5.3. That sounds, oh my.
Daddy.
What? Do you like it, Lorraine?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, you'll see it. Because as soon as you started revving, she was like...
Well, there you guys have it. That is the AWE 0FG. It's a mouthful. And you guys can tell what 0FG stands for. We're not dummies. Also, did I show you this? AWE, because they know that the exhaust tips are cause for celebration, they send you a blow pop. It's a sucker. The exhaust company sent one to me for putting the exhaust on.
Daddy likes candy and stickers.
Do you want the sucker?
She said thank you.
There you go, AWE. It's going to good use. But seriously, thank you guys for building this exhaust. It is just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to drive the thing with it on there. But with that being said, that's going to end off the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. There's hopefully some more things going to be coming for that truck. I'm not sure when. And in the next video, we're going to be getting back to that pig. So, until then, peace.